Dhumavati ritual is 7th Mahavidya in the series of Mahavidyas. Dhumravati is dhumra, smoke, nothing, of no existence. All Mahavidyas are usually performed to attain enlightenment and attain nothingness or liberation. And what can be better than Dhumavati to attain nothing, because this God itself is in form of smoke and it's approximately nothing. Whatever you want to remove, if you want to remove something from your life, Dhumavati Mahavidya plays a very important role. Removal of ego you can do by Dhumavati ritual. Removal of enemies or enmities can also be done by Dhumavati ritual. Removal of some diseases, the black magic and other negativity can be done by Dhumavati, because it converts those emotions, those things into smoke. All the rituals are either be done by a thought in your mind that I want to attain nothing, or we do ritual with the thought that I want to attain something. When you want to attain something, this ritual is very helpful for removing enmity, for removing negativity, for removing diseases, for removing disturbing emotions, for removing whatever is giving you the difficulties. And therefore, for attaining these removals, you can contact your Guru and ask him. He can initiate and teach you Dhumavati Mahavidya in detail. Here what I am giving is a very short to understand what Dhumavati is and how the ritual can be performed. But rituals are very deep. You have to understand a very deep meanings of these rituals. You have to read and understand things between the lines, and with the help of your Guru, you can go in depth into any ritual. Now let us understand how we perform it. Like every other ritual, this also has the same parts of Vinayog, Rishinias, Karnyas, Angnyas or Hridayadinyas, Ganesh and Guru's prayers, and Vyapak Nyas. After Vyapak Nyas, we must perform Matruka Nyas. Matruka Nyas makes us equivalent to goddess or god, and then we start performing this ritual. Performing ritual, the worshipping or the ritual shall always be performed by Shodasopchar, by 16 things. And if not possible, by 5 things, and if that is also not possible, you can do the prayers mentally. Everything is present in the universe, and you can mentally assume and think that I am offering this thing to Goddess, and Goddess takes it from the universe. Now let us start and do the Vinyog first. Om Asya Shri Dhumavati Mantrasya Piplad Rishi Nibrishandah Jeshta Dhumavati Devta Dhung Vijam Swaha Sakti Dhumavati Kilkam Dhumavati Prityarthe Mama Bhishta Siddhyarthe Jape Vinyoga. Om Pipladrise Namah Shirasi Nibrishandase Namah Mukhe Shri Jeshta Dhumavati Devtaye Namah Hridi Dhung Vijay Namah Guhe Swaha Sakte Namah Padayo Dhum Kilkay Namah Nabho Vinyogay Namah Sarvange. Om Dhang Angushtabhyam Namah. Om Dhing Tarjanibhyam Namah. Om Dhung Madhyamabhyam Namah. Om Dhaing Anamikabhyam Namah. Om Dhong Kanishkabhyam Namah. Dhah Kartal Prastabhyam Namah. Om Dhang Hridayaya Namah. Om Dhung Sirse Swaha. Om Om Dhang Hridayaya Namah. Om Dhing Sirse Swaha. Om Dhung Shikhaya Vasat. Om Dhang Kauchaya Hum. Om Dhong Netratraya Vasat. Om Dha Astraya Fat. Vame Gurubhyo Namah. Param Gurubhyo Namah. Paramesh Gurubhyo Namah. Dakshine Gadesaya Namah. Madhye Dhung Dhung Dhumavati Devye Namo Namah. Dhung Dhung. And after this, we must perform Matrukanyas. After performing the Matrukanyas, the time has come to do the meditation, and for doing meditation we need to do the meditation mudra, cover it with some cloth so that nobody be able to see you. Vivarna chanchala Krishna Dirgha Chamalinambara Vimukta Kuntala Raksha Vidhava Viral Duja Kakdhvaj Atharudha Vilambit Payodhara Supahastakti Ruksakshi Dhumrahasta Virochana. प्रवृद्ध घ्रोड़ा च भृशम कुटिला कुटिलेक्षणा क्षुत्पाश दर्शिता नित्यम भयदा कलहास्पदा. And then sit down in meditation. After meditation, do the pranayam. And then after pranayama, do the chanting. Again pranayama. After doing this pranayama, we do tarpan, and after tarpan, we do the samarpan stuti, surrendering to the goddess and surrendering the japas, surrendering the chanting, what we have done. Guhyati guhigopti tam grahasmat kritam pam japam Siddhir bhavatu me devi tvat prasadan maheshwari. And after samarpan stuti, we must pray to the goddess and complete the ritual. Devi koteshwarim suddham papaharnim kamarupinim namami mukti kamaye dehi muktim har priye dehi muktim har priye.